This is Braden's rocket. Braden's. Three, two, one. This is Olivia's rocket. Five, four, three, two, one. Whoa. This is Katana's rocket. I'm using my tracking skills this time. Five, four, three, two, one. This is Ronan's rocket. Also, Ronan is a rocket retriever right now. So the clouds look very menacing. Trying to keep him out of the shot as much as possible. Ronan, go that way. Go that way. Rocket take three. Oh, there it goes. Rocket take two, hopefully. Know what is going on with... No, this is Giada's. What is going on with Giada's rocket? Why is it not launching? Please someone tell me why it's not launching. This cameraman is getting anxious. Ronan, get back. Hey, people over there. Hey, you guys over there. Hey, you guys over there. Bob, this is Giada's rocket. The last one went on the gym, so. Five, three, two, one. Blast off! What? Technical difficulties. Please stand by. Something is going wrong. Never mind. It didn't go on the gym. The rocket retriever just brought it back. 2, 1. What? Sorry, extreme technical difficulties. Please stand by for the next launch. Sorry, Jason. This is weird. Super technical difficulties. If this doesn't launch, who knows what will happen. No. Please stand by. Miley's rocket. Yes, it's Miley's rocket.
Okay.
Miley's one with the gigantic rocket. Ronan, wait till I give the thumbs up to start the countdown, okay? There must be some sort of a pressure leak, because this one's a bit different.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties, please stand by.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Tells rocket. Tells mom is watching this.
Oh wow.
All right, it's filling up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Sophie A's rocket.
Or the pressure, though. I don't know, whichever.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh gosh, that one's up there. That one's way up there. It's Ethan's rocket.
Wow, but you're at
We're waiting for the pressure.
3,
1. Blast off! Whoa! This is Sophie M's rocket.
Magical.
Do not say any last names on it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Braddock's rocket.
It's Braddock. Recorded by Braddock.
Yep. Recorded by the cameraman. 5, 4, 2, 1. Blast off! This is Jason's rocket. That guy right over there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is Chad's rocket. Second attempt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! This is Mrs. Barlow's rocket.
Hopefully
Last
not,
time we did not get the recording.
because it failed.
Ronnie, get back. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! This is Tell's rocket. Oh my gosh, I can't see it. I can't see it. Where did it go? Oh, went over there.